Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video I am going to discuss about the Infosys campus recruitment. So this guidance it is only for the Infosys in campus, that is a campus recruitment with Infosys, campus recruitment with the Infosys for specialist programmer role, for the specialist programmer role, that is for 8 lakh per annum, and digital specialist engineer that is 5 lakh per annum. Okay, and this recruitment is only with the Infosys campus connect partners, Infosys campus connect partner colleges. Okay, so this is only for the digital, that is for specialist programmer role and digital specialist programmer role with the Infosys, and it is only associated with the colleges that are the campus connect partner with the Infosys. So let's discuss about the format, the Infosys online test format. So here it is completely coding. It is completely a coding round. Okay, it is completely a coding because there is no aptitude and all in this. Okay, in this particular type of recruitment, it is a coding based recruitment test. The test format is test contains the three questions that will have to be attempted in the 3 hours. There will be 3 questions and 3 hours time. Okay, time duration will be 3 hours. Test will have a sectional cutoff as well as the total cutoff. Okay, there will be a sectional cutoff, means there will be 3 questions, so the program wise cutoff also they consider, and total cutoff. Each questions belong to different difficult level. Okay, there are 3 questions, and these 3 questions are having a different difficulty level. Okay, 3 questions are having the different difficulty level. Okay, difficulty level will be different. So what are the difficulty levels? That is, one is easy level, medium level and hard level. So in the easy level, simple questions that can be solved by a basic application of aptitude concepts, algorithm and data structure. Okay, the easy questions that you can solve by using the aptitude, or you can using the algorithms or the data structure concepts. You can solve the coding or programming questions. The next comes the medium level. So usually a question based on the greedy algorithm. Okay, the questions based upon the greedy algorithm, the medium type of questions. Okay, and the hard level of question, usually it is based upon the dynamic programming. Okay, it is based upon the dynamic programming concepts. Okay, so easy level, that is based upon the aptitude or algorithm or the data structure, you can solve the questions, and a medium question that is based upon the greedy algorithm, and a hard level of question, it is mainly based upon the dynamic programming concept, dynamic programming. And code can be written for each questions using one of the following language, that is you can use C, C++, Java, Python, okay, Python or JavaScript programming language you can use for the coding. Okay, then so that is about the test pattern. And next comes the what are these in detail, what the with respect to the difficulty level. Like for example, the difficulty level is a medium type of questions. So medium type of questions where the questions are based upon the greedy algorithm. Questions are based upon the greedy algorithm, and it is an algorithm that follows the problem solving heuristic of making the locally optimal choice at each stage. So the types of greedy algorithms are pure greedy algorithm, orthogonal greedy algorithm, relaxed greedy algorithm. So your medium medium coding problem statement will be based upon the greedy algorithm. Greedy algorithm concepts. Greedy algorithm concepts. Then for greedy programming algorithm, so where you can refer the content. Okay, so here are the some of the links. So you can go through the HackerRank platform. Okay, so in the HackerRank platform you will find the interview kit, okay, interview preparation kit, HackerRank interview preparation kit. So this is very important. Okay, this interview preparation kit, in that there are thousands of companies, they actually, while preparing the questions and all, they will refer these platform HackerRank, where you will get different challenges and the questions based upon the arrays and sorting, dictionaries, string manipulation, greedy algorithm, dynamic programmings, and search, graphs, trees, stack queues, linked list. Okay, so based upon all these you will get the questions. For example, in the greedy algorithm, you can see in the greedy algorithm the type of questions, like you can get easy level, medium level. So in the Infosys you will get the medium, the difficulty level will be medium for the greedy type of. Okay, so such programs you will get in your, for example, this one, greedy florist. Okay, so you can log in and you can check the details here. Okay, so such type of problem statement, coding problem statement, you will get in the Infosys examination, where you sample input, sample output, and you need to the explanation and all. Okay, so this is about the HackerRank platform, and I suggest in that interview preparation kit is there, so you can just go through the interview preparation kit. Interview preparation kit of HackerRank platform. Okay, so HackerRank platform interview preparation kit. Then comes the, and also the dynamic programming also, that is your difficult level of the questions. Okay, that is hard difficulty level of question, that is a hard type of question. Okay, so that is the questions based upon the dynamic programming. Dynamic programming is an algorithm technique for solving an optimization problems by breaking it down into simpler sub problems and utilizing the fact that optimal solution to the overall problems depend upon the optimal solution to its sub problems. So the principles of dynamic programming, okay, it breaks the problem down into sub problems and calculating their values next time upon encountering the same sub problem, and the value can be reused instead of recalculation. See here, for this type of also, like for dynamic programming, there are thousands of questions are available for the practice. So this is the platform, that is a lead code. Okay, you can go through the HackerRank platform also, and even a dynamic programming platform where you can create your account, and you can so these are the questions that you can solve by using the dynamic programming concepts. Okay, so you have around 318 problem statement, and most of the companies are asked the questions based upon the such problem statements. So here it is the title, the longest palindromic substring, regular expression matching, generate parentheses, longest valid parentheses. So here, based upon the hard type and medium type questions, you can refer. Okay, so dynamic programming based questions for Infosys. Okay, even for hack with Infi also the same pattern. There will be 3 questions: easy, difficult, and medium level. Okay, so these are the different various type of questions that are available in the lead code platform. Okay, so that you can refer. Then how to prepare for this, as I already told, you can go through the platforms like lead code, HackerRank, HackerEarth platform for the preparation. Okay, on dynamic programming. Okay, there are 2 main properties in the dynamic programming, that is overlapping sub problems and optimal substructure properties. So even in the dynamic programming method, there are 2 overlapping sub problems, that 2 different ways, that is top down and memorization. Okay, so for this, like you need to go through some of the concepts. For example, here the dynamic programming, the concepts, the idea behind the dynamic programming, where it stored the result of problem after solving it. Okay, so here you can understand the what is the concept of dynamic programming. You can practice some programs. Okay, that is a codesdope.com. Okay, codesdope.com, where you can understand the 2 approaches of the dynamic programming: top down approaches, bottom up approaches. Okay, then memorization, tabulation method and all. So you can refer these concepts. Okay, even various other algorithms, dynamic programming concepts, and here mentioned greedy algorithm and all. So this is about the different type of pattern. Okay, so as we discussed about easy level. Okay, easy level, that is based upon the aptitude concepts or data structure. Okay, by using you can solve the problems. And for the medium level, you can use the questions will be based upon the greedy algorithm concepts. Then for hard level, it is questions are based upon the dynamic programming. Okay, so for that you can refer the platforms that are mentioned, I have mentioned, for preparation. Okay, so to understand the concepts and all, then so these are some of the other examples for dynamic programming, that is knapsack problem, Fibonacci, palindromic sequences, longest common substring Dijkstra algorithm and all. So for these are the very important the examples for dynamic programming. Okay, very important examples to, there are more chances are there to get questions based upon these concepts. Then next come to your the interview part. In the virtual interview part, okay, so your interview will be, as most of the companies they are conducting the interview that is on virtual platform, and so here the interview duration will be 1 hour, and you might be asked to solve the puzzles or problems using the programming language of your choice. So for the computer science and information technology or information science related students, so the questions you may get from the algorithms, data structure concepts, automata theory, compiler, computer network, computer organization, operating system, digital signal processing, okay, and object oriented processing. And for the electronics and for electronics and telecommunication department students, you will get questions on computer network, digital electronics, digital signal processing, mathematics and object oriented processing, programming and control system. So these are all your interview means interview questions you may get from the various subjects that is related to, that is core subjects of your branch. And the platform, the coding platform, you should go through these coding platforms, then only you can crack the coding round with any company. Okay, code rank, code force, then project euler, code shape, then lead code, hacker earth. Okay, so these are the various platforms you need to go through for your coding practice. Okay, coding practice for all the companies. Okay, for all software company, for all software company, you can go through this platform for the practice of uh, coding questions. Okay, coding round. Okay, so that is all about the test pattern and all. So just I will summarize what we discussed. Okay, till now. So the main the thing is that, as this video is for the campus recruitment. Okay, the campus recruitment for the campus connect partners. Okay, and that is for specialist programmer role and digital specialist. Okay, digital specialist. Okay, so digital this is specialist programmer. Okay, sorry. Okay, specialist programmer, that is for 8 lakh per annum. And for digital specialist, okay, digital specialist programmer role, that is for 5 lakh per annum. There will be 3 questions you will get in the questions, 3 questions in the coding round, with easy, medium and hard type. Okay, so easy will be based upon your aptitude and data structure. You can solve the questions with greedy algorithm type questions, and here hard for dynamic programming type questions. Okay, so this is about the your complete test pattern and all. Then next come to your uh, some interview questions you may get, that is based upon your programming language and some like technology that required for the project development, full stack and Android operating system, then hybrid, Flutter, React Native, artificial intelligence, cloud computing and all. Some cutting edge technology you should know. The cutting edge technology concepts you should know for the project work and all. Okay, then the one tip that I can give for the students who are that is the who are preparing for the placement is that at least you should solve one problem statement, okay, with all the test cases. There will be three problem statement, okay, three problem statement. Try to focus mainly at least one problem statement. At least one problem statement you should complete with all test cases. Okay, with all test cases you solve the coding question. At least one with all test cases. Okay, with all test cases. And also remember, don't share your code with your friends. Okay, don't share your code with your friends, as the plagiarism, they will caught you when if you copy or if you use the code. So don't share your code. Okay, so for this in-campus recruitment process, okay, so this is the in-campus recruitment process for in-campus recruitment process for 2021-22 batch, that is now they are final year. Okay, final year students, that is 21-22 batch students, 21-22 batch students, 21-22 batch students. They are like going from third year to final year. Okay, and this particular recruitment process, it is only with the campus connect partner colleges, campus connect partner colleges of Infosys, campus connect partner colleges of Infosys. Okay, so as I covered, I hope I have covered all the important the points that are required for this placement process, and the package is also more, as they are paying like 5 or 8 lakh per annum, so the difficulty level will be more. Okay, the difficulty level will be more, and there will be section wise cutoff also. Here there is no aptitude, only coding questions will be there, only coding questions, and there will be no cutoff. Okay, there means there will be sectional cutoff, and total cutoff is also there. There is a sectional cutoff and total cutoff is also there. So at least you should focus first on completing one complete problem statement. Okay, one problem statement with all the test cases, one problem with all test cases you need to cover. Then there is a chances for getting interview call. Okay, because in the 2021 batch, I can share the experience for students with the 2021 batch, those students who are already now passed out batch. Okay, so they are appeared, and the main thing is that at least one problem, and don't share the code, don't share, as most of the people, they didn't receive the interview call, even though they are completed at least two programs. They are not received the interview call, at least means if they are completed even the two problems, but they are used the codes that is shared by someone else. Okay, so the everything, the your log, everything will be there, how you do the copy paste and all. Okay, your all the complete, the record will be there with them, because it is online proctored exam, and nowadays they are improved their test conducting style. Okay, improved their platform. And if you have any doubt, you can just mention in the comment box, so that I will make a video for to answer those questions. Okay.